Hello guys, and today we are going to name the countries of the world. So let's start. First up we have Canada. First we'll do the North America, then we'll move on to Central America, then Caribbean Sea. So then next we got the United States. There you go. Then Mexico. Then Guatemala, Belize, Honduras, Nicaragua, El Salvador, Costa Rica, Panama. Now move on to the Caribbean Sea, which is Bahamas, Cuba, Jamaica, Haiti, Dominica, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Grenada, Trinidad and Tobago, Dominican Republic, Barbados, and there is one more left. Let's say it's Antigua Barbuda. It was Antigua Barbuda. Okay, now move on to South America. Countries like Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, Ecuador, Peru, Brazil, Bolivia, Argentina, Paraguay, Uruguay, Chile, and Argentina. We've done. Now move on to Europe. We're going to do some countries such as the United Kingdom, Ireland, France, Andorra, Spain, Portugal, Belgium, Luxembourg, Netherlands, Germany, Poland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Switzerland, Austria, Liechtenstein, yeah, there we go, Italy, Vatican, San Marino, Slovenia, Croatia, Czechia, Slovakia, Hungary, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, Macedonia, Cyprus, Greece, Kosovo, Montenegro, Malta, Monaco, Denmark, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Romania, Moldova, Belarus, Ukraine, Bulgaria, Iceland, Turkey, there's one country missing here, which I really don't know, so I will come back to it later. Till then, let's do Asia, such as Russia, Kazakhstan, Mongolia. Wait, first we'll do the Arabian Peninsula. It has a lot of countries, so we'll do that. Alright. So first one is Israel, Palestine, then Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Yemen, Oman, UAE, Qatar, Bahrain, Iraq, Iran, Syria, Kuwait, Lebanon. Okay, so we are done with Arabia. We'll go on to Central Asia. Wait, first we'll do the Caucasus region. Georgia, Armenia, Azerbaijan. Now we'll go to Central Asia. Like Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Pakistan. Now let's go to South Asia, like India, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, China, Myanmar. Now we'll move to East Asia. We'll go Democratic People's Republic of Korea, also known as North Korea. Next we'll go with Republic of Korea, which is also referred to South Korea. Next, Japan. Now I'll go on with Southeast Asia, such as Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia, Malaysia we have done, Singapore, Brunei, Timor-Leste. Okay, we are done with whole entire Asia, I think. Oh, this one was Serbia. Okay, now we'll move on to Oceania, the smallest continent in the world. Australia, New Zealand, Palau, Micronesia, Marshall Islands, Solomon Islands, Papua New Guinea, no, it's not New Caledonia. This one, that is Fiji. No, the other one's Fiji. This one, I know, Vanuatu. Vanuatu, yeah. Then next to Fiji, there's Tonga. Then above, there's Tuvalu, Samoa. Now these two are left. Those are Nauru and Kiribati. Okay, only Africa's left. Let's go. Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt, Mauritania, Mali, Niger, Chad, Sudan, Cabo Verde, Senegal, the Gambia, Guinea-Bissau, Sierra Leone, Liberia, Ghana, Ivory Coast, Ghana, Togo, Benin, Burkina Faso, Nigeria, Cameroon, Central African Republic, South Sudan, Eritrea, Djibouti, Somalia, Ethiopia, now there's one island here, that is Sao Tome and Principe. Yes. Then there's Equatorial Guinea, Gabon, Republic of the Congo, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, Kenya, Tanzania, Angola, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Namibia, South Africa, Lesotho, Swaziland, Botswana, Malawi, Seychelles, Madagascar, Comoros, Mauritius, and the last country is Mozambique. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.